Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K40, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So to do this, what you have to do to close all of these running apps at once, you can just go to the recent section by tapping this recent button. Here you can see all of my opened unused apps, so they may cause my device's performance to drop lower because they eat my cache memory and all these kind of things. So to close them all at once, just tap on this cross here, and after that all of these apps will be closed and your device optimized and all will be perfect. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.